Hello guys, thank you for joining me. I am Gaurav and in this video we learn about to draw portrait of Captain Cool Ms Dhoni step by step in only 10 minutes. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. If this video is helpful, please like, share and comment. So let's just start. Start with the straight vertical line. Vertical line is not straight more because the face is little bit curved. After that, draw the oval. Vertical line is in the middle. Draw the perfect oval for the face. Face is curved, so draw the curved line near the vertical line. After that, draw the middle line, a horizontal middle line, separate it in 4 equal parts. After that, the lower part again separated in 2 equal parts, and again lower part separated in 2 equal parts. Erase all the waistline. After that, start with the eye. At the middle horizontal line, the eyes will start. Eyes of Ms Dhoni is narrow, so you have to focus on the real photo of the Ms Dhoni. After that, you draw the eye and focus on the another eye. Draw the eye line. After that, draw the eyebrow. Eyebrow a little bit up of the eye. You have to good eye and hand coordination to draw this type of photo. Nose is started with the corner of the eye, so you start with the nose. It's end at the right corner of the eye. After that, focus on the mouth. He is in a smiling face, so mouth is little bit broad. Both the end of the mouth is middle at the middle of the eye. Draw the mouth in at right position after looking at the real photo. After that, erase all the waistline. Then draw the mouth line for look more real photo. Then draw the right side of the face. And draw the beard at right position after looking the image of the Ms Dhoni. Erase all the waistline. Then draw the ear. The lower part of the ear as the end of the nose, and the upper part of the ear as the near the eyebrow. Draw the right of the hair and complete the ear. He is wearing a cap, so we have to draw the cap at the right position. After looking the photo, we have to draw the cap at the right position. Middle of the upper part is little bit narrower because it is curved. Now draw the upper part of the cap. Focus on the right type of curved. Okay, the cap is completed. Erase all the waistline, which is now not need. Draw another side of the ear. After, focus on the soldier. Draw the soldier at the right position. After looking the image, draw the other side of the soldier and draw the lines of the her t-shirt. Sorry, his t-shirt. After, start details of the cap. In the first drawing you have to start with the upper part, because we have not time to use a paper. So first we add details on the cap. After that we focus on the face. Draw all the details of the cap with right type of pencil. For the lighter area we use 4B pencil or 2B pencil. For the darker area 8B or 10B pencil. After, draw the ear line with 2B pencil and the middle of the ear with 4B pencil. Then focus on the hair. After that, draw the eyebrow with the 6B pencil in lighter shade. Then focus on the shadow of the cap. Shadow of anything is very dark, so I use 8B pencil for this, or you use 10B pencil for this. Draw the very dark area with full details. Okay, after completing the shadow of the cap, we add more details on the eyebrow with 8B pencil. After that, focus on the eye with the 2B narrower pencil and draw the pupil with 8B or 10B pencil for darker. After shading with the 4B pencil of the side of the nose, add more details and lower part of the nose for looking more realistic view. Add some details on the face and shading it and blend it with the hand, because in the first drawing we have no time to use blending stick for blend it. Okay, then focus on the mouth. Draw the outer part of the mouth with any narrower pencil. You use 2B or mechanical 0.5 pencil. add details for the teeth side. And complete the mouth with the shading. And shading with few details at the beard. Then focus on the another part of the ear and add some details in it. After that, shade the neck and add some details in it. Then focus on the t-shirt of Ms Dhoni and add some details in it. Whose portrait you want to learn? Please write in the comment. I will make video on that. If you like this video, please share and comment. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. And please write in the comment whose portrait you want to learn. And if you have any problem with this portrait, please write in the comment below. I will give answer in the next video. Thank you for watching.